Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Dying Light the Beast game crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox console. So here follow the fixes. First solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Solution 2. Clear Dying Light the Beast cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Dying Light the Beast game and highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Solution 3. Clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage and then launch the game and check. Now if you don't see these features on your Xbox console, then skip this step. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. And once your console restart, then launch Dying Light the Beast game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5. Remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6. Run Dying Light the Beast game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Dying Light the Beast in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game. I hope this may help. Solution 7. Switch network connection. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connected to mobile hotspot. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Or you can also restart modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can check. Solution 8. Manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that start with 4 or 5, continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Solution 9. Change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1 and then relaunch the game and check. Solution 10. Reinstall Dying Light the Beast game. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Dying Light the Beast game from your Xbox console, restart your Xbox console and then fresh reinstall the game and then launch it and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these solutions you will be able to fix Dying Light the Beast game crashing at startup, not launching, won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.